Hi friends, in this video I am going to make a review on Wingsung 238 fountain pen, and this is one of the slimmest fountain pen in Wingsung. It has a metal body and it is powder coated and it has golden trims, and if you open this pens and you can see Wingsung written on the nib, and it is a fine tip nib, and you can remove the nib easily just by pulling this one, twist and pull, and the nib will come. This is one of the very slimmest fountain pen, and it is having a detachable. Oh, it's not detachable. Okay. Yeah, the filling with the rubber sock, it is somewhat a challenging one for few people, and we get lost a lot of calls from our customers on filling the ink. We made a separate video on filling this rubber sock pens, especially hero pens, and you can we have given a link how to fill the ink in the rubber sock pens in the description, and you can see that video. Let us see how this pen writes. You can use less viscous ink or high viscous ink for this particular type of pen. It's not an issue, but we suggest to clean the pen frequently, twice in a month. Yeah, I mean, writing is really smooth. And if you are not using the pen for a long time, please clean it and preserve it properly. If you have any questions on this particular type of pen, you can raise your queries on the comment section, and then we will try to help you. And you can ask questions in our WhatsApp also, and we have given our WhatsApp number in the description box. And about this Wingsung pen, this is one of the rarest collection. The pen enthusiasts know well what is the importance of this pen, because the company is closed long back, and the old stock is being supplied to us. Thanks for watching this video.